Hello friends. Today we will talk about the newly launched Samsung Galaxy M35 5G mobile. The Samsung Galaxy M35 5G features a stunning 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a crisp 1080x 2340 pixel resolution. The 120Hz refresh smooth scrolling, whether you're browsing or gaming. It's both durable and elegant. Under the hood, the Exynos 1380 chipset, built on a 5nm process, powers the device. The octa-core CPU combines high-performance Cortex-A78 cores with efficient Cortex-A55 cores. With 8 GB of RAM, multitasking is seamless. The Galaxy M35 offers 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring you won't run out of space for apps, photos, and videos. Plus, there's a microSD slot for additional storage. The rear triple camera system includes a 50MP main lens, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. Capture vibrant photos and smooth 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The 13MP front camera ensures your selfies shine, whether it's a solo shot or a group pic. The massive 6000 mAh battery keeps you going all day. When it's time to recharge, the 25W wired charging gets you back in action swiftly. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC ensure seamless connectivity. Choose from dark blue, light blue, or gray to match your style. If you liked it, please like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe.